Are you tired of tracking of emails, missing follow-ups, or spending hours on manual reporting? Today I'm going to show you how to organize your Gmail, automatically create tasks, and log email into Google Sheets, all hands-free. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Managing emails can be overwhelming. Some emails need immediate action, some are for follow-up, and some need to be logged for reports or tracking. In this video, I will cover 3 powerful Gmail productive hacks. The first one is how to use label to organize your inbox, so important emails don't get lost. And the second one is how to automatically create Google tasks from emails based on sender or subjects, perfect for follow-ups. The third one is how to log emails into Google Sheets automatically. This is great for reporting, audit, or tracking. By the end, your inbox tasks and reports will be fully automated. Let's dive right in. Sometimes emails are important, but you don't have time to respond immediately. So labeling helps you to categorize and find emails quickly, so you can come back later. To create a label, go to your Gmail and from the left down side, choose on labels. Click on the plus icon to create a new label. Here name labels clearly. For example, let's say here follow-up, then click create. So to move an email to the label that you have created, just drag the email and drop to follow-up. And here you will find the email that you moved. So for emails that need an action, just create a label and move emails to that folder, and you will come back later to check and respond to emails. The second part is to automatically create Google tasks while a new email arrived. Sometimes email need action, but you can't respond right away. Instead of forgetting them, Zapier can automatically create a Google task for you based on either the sender or subject keywords. To set up the automation, go to Zapier. Here, let's create a new job. Here, our trigger is a Gmail. Here under setup, the app is Gmail, and under the trigger of the event, from the lists, choose new email matching search. And here is my account. And under configuration tab, here click the search keyword. Here, for example, if you want to filter or trigger the event using the username of the email, you can type here from : and the mail address. Or if you want the event to be triggered using the subject, you can type here subject : and the subject keywords. For example, let's say it's action required or any action, then enter. Here we can continue. Then the test tab will be open. And to test your trigger, here initiate test trigger. It will list here sample emails that has a subject action. You can click on one email. So let's choose this one and continue with select record. Under the action part, let's choose Google task. Then the action event will be to create a task. So click on action event and here choose create task. Then under configure, here choose the task list. Let's choose my tasks here. And under the title, click on the plus icon here. And let's choose the subject to be my title. And under the notes part, click on the plus icon. And let's choose my email body here, body plain. And let's also add the message URL under the task part. And we can set here due date. And I can add here the date that the message was sent. Then continue. And under the test part, let's test the step. And you see the notification, the task was sent to the Google Task. So let's go to our Google Task here. And you see here under my tasks part, the mail that we have configured is added here. So I can click on this to see the details. And you see that all the bodies on the mail here. And even the link for the email is here. So I can click on this and I can open it here. So you can customize task lists and due dates. So urgent emails appear first. So I can publish it here. So from now onward, while an email that has a subject action appear on my inbox, it will automatically add to Google Tasks. The third part is to log emails into Google Sheets. For reporting, audit, or team tracking, it is useful to have a spreadsheet record of important emails. Zapier can automatically log emails based on event triggers. Now let's choose subject as our event trigger, and to create a new Zap automation, go to your Zap and click on create Zap. Then first let's set up our trigger. Go to the trigger part and choose Gmail as our event trigger. And under the setup part, the app is Gmail and our trigger event will be new email matching search. So from the drop-down lists, choose new email matching search. Then let's continue. And under the search keyword, let's choose subject to be my search keyword. Subject colon, and here type any search keyword. Let's choose data analyst for my example. Then continue. And let's test the trigger. Now the app will check my email and it will populate 3 emails that has a search click data analyst in the subject. Then let me choose the one and continue with select record. Now let's set up our action. And our action app will be Google Sheets. And under the action event, let me choose to write a spreadsheet row. So you can type row and choose create spreadsheet row here, then continue. Then under the configuration part, let's set up our configuration, and the drive will be my Google Drive. And under the spreadsheet, I need to set up first a new spreadsheet. So I've created a spreadsheet here, and since Zap will expect a header to be on the first row, let me type headers that I need to be populated on the Google Sheet. So on the first row, let me choose the date to be my first column. And I need also the mail user. So from the mail subject, you can type here subject, the mail body, and including the mail URL. Then let's go back to Zap and let me choose the spreadsheet here. My spreadsheet name is Gmail automation, so let me check this. And I have only one worksheet, so let me choose sheet 1 here. And when you go back, you see here the columns that we have added as a header. So under the date part, let me choose the date of the email to be populated there. Then go back to from, and let me choose the mail user here, from email. And on the subject part, Let me choose the mail subject here. And under the mail body part, let me choose the plane of the mail part here. The body plane. Then under the mail URL, let's see the URL of the mail. Then continue. Now let's test the step here. Here you see the notification. A row was sent to the Google Sheet. So when we go back to the Google Sheet, we will see the mails that we have been sent. So under the date part, you see the date of the email, including the mail user, the mail subject, the mail body, and mail URL. So let's publish this one. Tab is published. So from now on, when Zapier receive an email that has a subject data analyst, it will automatically create a new role on our Google Sheets and populate all the informations that we have set. And I have a free trial Zap access, so the automation will be checked after 15 minutes. So within 15 minutes, if a new email arrived, you will see a new row that is being created on our Google Sheets. So this will create a real-time log, saving your hours of manual work. Everything happens automatically, no manual effort is required. And that is it. 3 Gmail automations to organize your inbox efficiently, automatically create a follow-up tasks, and log emails into Spreadsheet for tracking. Now your workflow is fully automated and much more productive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit a bell for more productive tips and automation hacks. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.